2020 Kia Sorento redesign, 2020 Kia Sorento hybrid, 2020 Kia Sorento release date, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Kia brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Kia Sorento redesign, 2020 Kia Sorento hybrid, 2020 Kia Sorento release date, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Kia Sorento redesign, 2020 Kia Sorento hybrid, 2020 Kia Sorento release date, new cars by. This has been talked for years that Kia will release the upcoming age group of Sorento known as 2020 Kia Sorento. This is very good news for all who may have searched for this upgrade information given that very long earlier. Then, what type of fashion that can be linked to the most recent SUV Sorento? Think about the requirements. What type of engine system does it use? Look at this about this post listed below. The Kia will certainly take after the brand new creation called 2020 Kia Sorento. This vehicle will certainly be arranged as another massive auto than can offer. The company swears the brand new outline, notwithstanding the way that it's measuring as well as large, it can have superb. This may create people notice more cheerful when they are in the automobile since it touches base with adequate zone. Possibly, 2020 Kia Sorento so conventional because of its enormity. Hello there, around, there are such a multitude of people that has turned into the enthusiasts of this car. Is it accurate to claim that a person are of them? If not, at that point endeavor to read this article. You will certainly wind up noticeably one of them, immediately. Something that makes people really think the entrances of this car is its look. This Kia Sorento vehicle really has a path on it. As it is recognized, this auto is as a contemporary automobile which looks whimsical. It is among a kind and also particular so you could arise the most when you ride on it. You understand, the outside summary of this 2020 Kia Sorento vehicle is really simple, yet still has its own certain allure. It ought to appear like a common vehicle, yet it isn't really average. With its dark shading, this auto absolutely supplies that significance of solid vehicle. Clearly there are other shading to select. Nonetheless this shading genuinely identify this car the very best. Not just that, the within strategy of this Kia Sorento auto looks genuinely coordinate with it. Going along with the color of dim, the seat looks genuinely agreeable. It is produced using the very best appearance, so you can feel quiet when you are riding this car. There is an incredible area on the behind, also, to place every one of things that you need to convey. A significant household would run well with this kind of automobile, too. Exterior. 2020 Kia Sorento is to a wonderful level ideal for lots of individuals who pick the substantial room. The maker could transform this automobile being broadened contrasted with the past model additionally a long time lately. The huge vehicle might have an additional point of view ought to be greater. Furthermore, it is given by brand new style and also rundown. From a reliable source, the maker makes the vehicle accessible around the vehicle body line to get contemporary as well as popular. Regardless, the watchful plan remotely is yet held secret already. With a little good fortune, the creator will cover every one of the devices through the outside body. Interior. Inside 2020, the Kia Sorento area will hold considerably extra individuals. The manufacturer is the quality of the passionate nuance displays a few clients to feel shocked with the information. These extraordinary inside influence travelers to really feel substantially much more reasonable and tanned. Drawn from the provided appearance, this inside obtains the chance to be a lot more rich and unbelievable. The manufacturer will likely have brand new advancements as well as sources for upgrade the cockpit alongside different pieces inside the 2020 Kia Sorento. Inside 2020, the Kia Sorento location will hold considerably extra people. The manufacturer is the excellence of the passionate subtlety presents a couple of clients to really feel shocked with the news. These extraordinary within impact travelers to feel substantially a lot more reasonable as well as tanned. Extracted from the rendered appearance, this inside obtains the chance to be more abundant and also remarkable. The maker will certainly most likely have new breakthroughs and also benefits for upgrade the cabin along with various items inside the 2020 Kia Sorento. Engine. 2020 Kia Sorento Auto furthermore has a respectable engine. Really, the motor of this car is something that you can't address. It isn't right as this automobile is pressed with an electric motor with high liter restriction. From that point forward, the electric motor is mated with the set transmission in 6-speed. It is no huge surprise that this Kia vehicle could convey high toughness for your drive. Going over the powertrain that will possibly utilize for new Sorento, this will certainly most likely use 2.0 L kind that could supply the stimulant to 185 HP level. In any case, Quite potentially this car could similarly make use of 2.2L kind. This turbocharged design could show 200 HP level. The last device structure that we'll probably use is the 2.4L version that offer 188 HP. The majority of the kinds will certainly use 6-speed programmed transmission. This will be a 4-wheel drive car that is made with some lucrative frameworks. Those are the frameworks that support the chauffeur as well as the tourist to stay spare. It is known as well-being structure. A section of the protection conventional structures that will certainly be stabilized are the ABS and also ESP. One could state that both of these are the requirement for Kia Sorento information. The other well-being innovation frameworks are the control blind side, the trip control, the warmed guiding wheel, as well as steady switch control. This vehicle will not simply get brand new development structure in the protection side, yet additionally different components like infotainment and also diversion sides. This 2020 Kia Sorento will have new search for both inside and also outside too. Along these lines, we can expect the excellence of this vehicle. 2020 Kia Sorento release date and price. This vehicle will concern the marketplace in 2019. With his excellent development, this car will cost you about $40,000 $50,000. Thanks.